In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Airbnb account with ease. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just getting started in the world of Airbnb, ensuring your account is verified can open up a host of opportunities, making your transactions smoother and more secure. Let's dive into the straightforward process to get you set up. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head to the Airbnb website. You'll find the familiar homepage ready to greet you, offering a myriad of travel options. Now, to proceed, ensure you're logged into your account. If you aren't, simply click on the Login button, typically located at the top right corner. Enter your login credentials and hit enter. Once you're in, you should see your profile picture or initials on the top right corner, indicating that you're successfully logged in. Next, it's time to navigate to the account section. To do this, click on your profile icon at the top of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Account from this list. This will take you to all your account settings where you can manage personal details, payment methods, and more. Now scroll through the options available in your account settings until you find Identity Verification. This is a crucial step as it enhances trust and security both for you and for potential hosts. Click on it and a new page should load, prompting you with the steps to verify your identity. In this section, you will be required to upload a form of identification. This typically includes a passport, driver's license, or another government-issued ID. Choose the one you're comfortable with and make sure that the ID is currently valid and not expired. Moreover, ensure the image you upload is clear and all details are legible. Following the identity document upload, Airbnb will ask for a selfie. This is to ensure that you are the same person as your ID picture. Simply use your webcam or front camera on your smartphone to take a clear photo of yourself. Try to be in good lighting and avoid wearing headwear or glasses that might obscure your face unless they're part of your daily attire. The subsequent step involves confirming your email address and phone number. You may need to enter a code sent to your phone or click a confirmation link sent to your email. This verification reassures Airbnb that these contact details are correct and belong to you. Lastly, once you've completed these steps, the only thing left to do is wait for Airbnb to review and approve your information. This typically doesn't take too long, but it's wise to be patient as they ensure everything checks out. And there you have it. You've successfully completed all the necessary steps to verify your Airbnb account. Now you can enjoy a more seamless experience as you plan your next adventure. Thanks for watching and safe travel.